Hi everyone, welcome to Searchway TV and karon kay atong storyhaan which is better, Canva or Photoshop in starting your digital printing business. So today, atong storyahaan ang mga importante nga mga softwares ang ato ang pag gamiton in starting our digital printing business. And whether you're a complete beginner or first time nimo nga mo gamitan ni nila or you are advanced na or expert na in using Photoshop and Canva, this will help you start your um, uh, digital printing business. All right. So, sa ako ang tindahan, I had been always using this two useful softwares. Majority and most of the time, yeah. By the way, Photoshop for some layouts, but mostly it's for the sizing. It's important nga inig-print na to sa tong picture or any layout nga to ang pagabuhaton, it should be the exact size depende sa unsa ang need ni customer. For Canva, usually ginagamit ako siya for uh, several layouts, mga templates na nga naa-present na nga. There's no need for you to think about it. It's already provided. So ato ay go through both nga mga softwares. All right, so let's start with Canva. So for Canva, as you can see, daghan gyud siya canva.com by the way. As you can see, daghan kayo siya og kanang templates. And these are some of the things I have done in the past. Um, kani nag-create ko og program, okay, program dara sa amo ang school, and then I created a tarpaulin from Canva as well, and ang nakanindot niya kay daghan jud siya og template nga present and daghan ka pwede mabuhat, right? And let's start with kuan kanang let's say naa kay client nga ganaan magpabuhat og resume, right? So you have to understand nga dili tanan kay ba mohimo og resume. So whether you like it or not, except sa katong mga digital native, katong mga nagdako na nga with the technology, of course the school is providing effort in teaching na how to create resumes. But for those folks nga digital immigrants, meaning they are those folks who were born nga kanang wala ni siya nga technology. So you just go to resume, no brainer. There's no need for you to encode anything on Microsoft Word. Just research resume and si Canva mo provide siya daghan kayong templates sa resume and just have to update informations nga kinahanglan for you to have a professional resume, right? So you click on preferred ninyo nga template, you just click on customize this template and then you just have to update informations that are in here. So either side by side mo sa imong customer and then mga tana kasi ang information or you can do it via chat, okay? You're gonna be needing some relevant informations para i-fill in ato diri, of course a picture. By the way, how do we remove pictures? How do we remove the background, especially parehaan nga picture nga nindot kayo? How do we remove the background? It's very simple. You go to uploads and then let's say let's upload a picture from a very guapo Pilo Pascual. Say after mo gi-upload, imo just i-drag siya dara and then double click lang para mo siyang i-adjust. right? And then you want to remove the background, you click on the picture, you click edit image, there is ibabaw, and then click BG remover. So let's say you don't have this feature because kay naka-premium siya, there's also another way. Naghapoy daghan nga way. So naka-nindot na yung picture updated na. So naka-remove na yung background. It's auto. Another way to change the background, go to this website, BG Remover. Again, BG Remover, you click on the first result, remove background from image for free, and then you just have to upload your picture, kani, and then the site will automatically remove the background. And then you can click download, or you can also put background color. Ganahan mo sa nga color mo ganahan. So imagine kung naamoy Rush ID, no? Your customer wanted a red background, you can do that. You can also do a white background. So usually it's white background mo gyud, and then you click download, and after na na-save na siya sa imong downloads. You go back to your Canva, upload files, and then there. After na kay white background nga kuan picture, you just have to drag it here. Again, double click there. So you already have a picture. So um, that's for Canva. So from any other templates ng inyong buhaton from Canva, let's say um, naamoy, you know, usually sa tindahan kay magpabuhat og business card. Na ako'y customer nga magpabuhat og business card para sa iyahang business. So I search it in Canva. Again, Canva can provide a lot of kuan kana templates. Let's say this template, ganahan ko ani nga template. Then mo na iyahang atubangan, mo na iyang luyo. Click on customize this template, and then um, so again, you just have to click here, upload there sa kilid, and then drag in there the picture nga imong gikuan from BG background. Then, encode the informations, and then after that, you can actually print via here. The problem is that it's not really accurate. So what I usually do, I just download it, and then say download, and then let's say I just want to print the first one, download, click download. Okay. If you want to download both, download, and then all pages, click done, and then download. I'm not sure if nakita, no? Let's see. Yeah, just click download. And then after that, you go to downloads. For sure na nato dara. So, ang problem na to ani, unsa man to pakibaw, kung mo printa diretso diri, ang mahitabuan na there's a tendency nga whole page ang iyaha ang makitan, full page. So, ganahan ta nga depende sa size sa kanang customer or default business card nga kanang size inigprint na to. Kay di ta ganahan nga inigprint na to kay tibuok page may print sa kanang business card. Of course, there's a standard size for business cards, and that will um, and kana siya mahitabo na siya baton ako diri sa Photoshop. So again, I usually use Photoshop for sizing the exact one. So importante kinahanglan makibaw sa taon sa ang kanang kuan iyahang size sa business card. So again, di kay ko kasaguan na. So I always rely to Google business card size in inches. Usually I'll go with inches kay mas dali siya masabtan. So it's 2 inches by 3.5. So in Photoshop, I'll click here file, I click new, and then unsa to? 2 inches ang iyahang height niya, 3.5 iyang width. So 2, what's that? Ang height kay 2, ang width kay 3.5. So resolution, ayaw lang siya i-change. Let's leave it to 300. Later, we'll get to understand the resolution later. Okay, I'll click on OK. And this is the exact size of that business card. So let's download or upload the business card here over Photoshop. Let's click File and then click Open and then look for that picture. This one, right? So, nana siya sa tab. Nana siya sa Picas tab. After nimo gi-open, nana siya sa Picas tab. So, na siya diri sa layer, mo right click ta diri, okay? Right click diri sa layer and then click duplicate layer. Duplicate meaning you copy and then imo siyang i-transfer ang destination to the other tab which is untitled one. You click on OK. After ana, and then matransfer na siya diri nga layer. Dara. So, after ana, it's actually already fit na sa sakto siya nga size, no? Kana. So, you can press Control T para kanang ganahan nimo i-maximize gid ang iyang size. Okay? Ana, Control T. So, that's just basically it. Nakahimo na ka og kanang um, business card nga sa iyang size. Control T. Sunod na itong buhaton kay ato na siyang i-print. So again, akong balikon, if imo na siya i-print diretso, dili nimo maximize ang bond paper. So by default, this is, kabantay ka sa size, 8.5 by 11 inches, meaning this is a one-hold bond paper. Of course, kung mag-print tag business card, di ta ganahan nga dili rasto nga ganahan ta daghan, right? Ang ato i-print kay daghan man ang order usually business card. Okay? Say so ato i-maximize ato ang papel nga i-printan. So click tag file, click tag new, and then arita sa preset, arita sa US paper. Sa US paper na i-letter, meaning short bond paper. When we say legal, it's long, um, long bond paper. So let's just utilize letter and then don't change anything. This is automatically the size of the short bond paper. You click on OK and then notice na add siya another tab diri sa ibabaw. So again, sa atong button, i-transfer nato ni siya nga file padong diri sa atong bond paper. Okay? So kani ato siya i-highlight ning duha. You click, you hold control and then i-click ning duha, right click, then pangitaang merge. Dili makita, click merge. And then after that, unsa to pag-transfer, you right click on this layer, duplicate, meaning imo siya i-copy padulong dito sa untitled 2 nga tab. Untitled 2. Click OK. And na siya diri. So as you can see, pwede nimo siya i-move. Then mo na siyang ganahan ta nga naa siya outline ang iyahang ato ang kuan layout. So right click ta diri sa layer, click ta blending options, and then we just have to select stroke. Click stroke and then click OK. And then nanay outline ang ato ang kuan. And then pagkahuman, right click, duplicate layer. Click OK, drag to the right. Usually akong isikit na kay para nga kanang inigputol na ko kay dili kay daghan gamiton. So again, right click, duplicate layer, click OK. Ana, right click, duplicate layer. Ana, pwede po pagdali kay i-hold mo ang alt nga button sa imong keyboard. I-hold niya, you notice mo change ang iyahang cursor, no? Hold alt, drag down. Hold alt, drag. Na, hold alt, hold alt, hold alt. Ana. So sa ka short bond paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you are able to print 10 business cards. That's it. And then all you need to do is press Control P, that shortcut key of print, Control P, and then i-click ka yung scale fit to media para dili siya manglapas yung nag-print mo. Okay? And then that's just it. You ganahan ka nga kananindot pod kayo og siyag print, you click page setup. Unfortunately, dili makita nga akong printer diri kay wa may printer, but usually I click on page setup, then i-high siya na may ang printing style na to na ay standard, na ay high, na ay super high. Okay, ganahan kanindot gid kayo ang quality. But if more na siya, you hit print and then your printer will print this outcome. So again, so more siya ang basics in using Canva and Photoshop. So let's say for example, nanay picture si customer. Let's say this is by the way for business cards ha. Let's say ang customer kay nanay picture ang customer and magpa-print siya o kanang picture para sa kanang mga wallet size. Okay, mamaligya tag wallet size. So you click on file. Papunta kay bawon size sa wallet size. Again, always trust Google wallet size in inches. There. So naa siya size nga gihatag. Ito na siyang i-utilize si Photoshop. File, new, 2.5 ang yahang width, and then 3.5 ang height. Press okay, so muna siya ang wallet size. Muna siya ang mga picture nga gagmay pang sa inyong wallets. So ato din i-insert ato ang picture. File, open, and then katong si Piolo na to. Let's say muna siya ang kanang picture nga ipaprint ni customer nga wallet size. So you click again, ato na siya i-transfer na siyang tab into this tab, untitled 3. So right click, duplicate, click OK, and then here. So mo siya, nag-press na mo Control T. Pwede na mo padakaan. Okay, Control T, then hold shift para di maguba ang di ma-distort ang iyang picture. Okay, pwede ninyo inanaon. And that's it. You then press Control P. Again, ganahan ka nga kanang ma-maximize nimo imong photo paper. You open bond paper, your file new, and then click US paper, then click OK, and then kani imo siyang i-hold ang control, right click, duplicate, and then right click, and then merge layers, and then duplicate padong dito sa imong bond paper nga untitled 4, title 4 man eh. Then there. So let's say dagan kayo ipa-print si customer, imagine, and then you will be selling one wallet size to 15, 15 kada usa. Let's say 10 or 15. Okay. Tronics are selling it for 15, I think, 15 pesos per each, and then this one photo paper costing niya is that's 50 pesos for 20 sheets. So for one sheet, let's say this is only 3 pesos. Imagine printing several photos in just one page. Pwede pa gini mo i-cut-cut. So you're earning, you do the math. Dako jud, right? 15 times, let's say, pila ka book mo print ani? Pila ka book ang tanawon ba? Pila ka book? Nara ninyo kung unsa ninyo pag-maximize. See, you can print 9K kuan, 9K photo paper. So how much is that? 15 times 9? You have 135 pesos for just one sheet of photo paper. Again, tag 50 na ang 20 sheets divided by 20. Imagine tag 2 ra ang per sheet sa photo paper, and then you're earning 125. Imagine. So sa usa lang ka sheet nimo, usa lang ka 20 sheets, nga kuan you spend or dako kay kaghalin. So that's the magic of digital printing business. Imagine doing this kani siyang layout for cakes. Ang imong layout nga bantay mo ng uban nga mga cakes nga mga custom nga ipapilit na mo dito sa iyang cakes na yung mga ina na yung mga pictures and all pwede pod mo ana nga business, right? Sa palain can also do photo framing. I also have magnet layouts. So, let's say, ang inyong gibuhat nga layout kay, say, kanang sa wedding bitaw, giveaways. And then, ang usual size sa kanang magnet niya, same raman ani. So, mo-order lang ka sa Shopee sa katong yang magnet. Dayon katong magnet na magnet sheet kay ang iyahang other side is magnet, the other side is mura siya na siya adhesive. So, inigprint nimo sa inyong photo paper. Nani, papilit lang nyo dito. Ni-cut nyo, that's it. You have a magnet. You already have a magnet giveaway. And then you can sell it by, say, 30 pesos or 50 pesos each. You know, how many um, mga bisita sa kanang nga wedding. Dagan kayo. So meaning dagko kayo. Are you guys excited? I'm so excited. So basically that's how I use Photoshop. All right. Usually again Photoshop is only used for basic for basic mga kuan. I usually use Photoshop for sizing. But for layouts most of the time I do Canva. Canva is very powerful. Everything is provided already. There's no need for you to think. If you don't have any idea, Canva will provide the idea. All right. So that's just basically it. If you have any questions, just let me know, and we'll explore more about especially Rush ID. We'll talk more about it. Rush ID is just actually simple. Familiar mo Rush ID? Ako na lang i-discuss dali para dali. Um, so Rush ID kay 'di ba nag-tutorial ko about removing the background ganiha using remove BG. You click on download and then after that there is ato ako sa i-close tanan ha. Kay mo man yung common, usually magbaligya kag Rush ID sa inyong silingan kay 50 na per package sa kuha sa una and then eventually gihimo na ko 60 kay tungod kay wala koy kontra kay wa koy kontra sa among silingan so plasan ako 60. So unsaon ako paghimo Rush ID, you go to file, provided ha nga na dito na ka sa background BG, gi-upload nimo dito ang picture and then gi-download nimo. So you click open and then download the picture. So muna na siya ang katong gikan sa remove BG. So after that, ang imuhang buhaton kay kanang you click on file and then you go to new and then select 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2 man na ang kanang usually 1 by 1 2 by 2. So let's do 2 by 2 lang. Click OK. So muna ni siya ang size actual for 2 by 2 nga Rush ID. So ato ra i-transfer diri nga layout ito ato nga pikas nga tab. So right click, duplicate layer, padong destination padong sa untitled one, click OK. And then there. So muna ni siya and then you press Control T. Control T or transform. You hold shift and then i-drag siya, i-adjust siya pataas ana. And then ipatunga siya sa imuhang desired nga support sa kanang 2 by 2. So tanawa nga na headroom diri sa ibabaw, di kayo puok, di kayo downside kalain ka tanawon. So it should be mga mga inana nga mga headroom, that's already fine. You press enter and then muna na yung Rush ID, then of course kay package man siya dili makamaligya og dinaghan. So unsaon nga ito buhaton, mag-open tag another bond paper. So file, new, and then usually basta photo paper it's always A4. So ang size sa A4 wala sa US paper naa sa international paper. Then select A4. Click OK. Then mo na siya ang A4 size nga photo paper. Okay, kung maglibog pa mo ana, you just click file new and then pwede po US paper na lang letter. Okay, that's fine. For sample purposes lang. Alright, so kani mo na natin to bito. Again, don't forget to hit hold control, i-click ning duha, then in merge ng duha, right click and then merge. Merge. And then after that, transfer, right click, duplicate, padong dito sa imong untitled to nga tab. Click OK. There. And then, butangan nimo siya og kanang layout, kanang stroke. You right click, blending options, and then select stroke. Click OK. And then, para madaghan, right click, there is a layer, then duplicate layer, click OK. Oh. So again, pinakadali kay i-hold mo ang control, i-hold si Alt, then drag down. Hold Alt, drag down. So na kayo upat ka 2 by 2. Usually ang package is 2 by 2 then 1 by 1. So you hold here and then you press Control T and then transform to 1 by 1. So di man ta pwede magbana-bana. So ang ato ang buhaton kay mo press tani Control apostrophe. Mo na gitawag nga grid. Okay? So Control apostrophe na siya and then i-highlight ang usa, hold Alt, dayon Control T, and then put it in a 1 by 1 nga cell, hold Alt. Kana siya is already 1 by 1 na siya. Nag-print mo ana, the size ana kay 1 by 1. Na control apostrophe balik. Nag-print mo ana, that's it. You already have again, scale fit to media, you already have a one package of Rush ID. Usually, I sell this 50 pesos per package. So, in-print mo na, use photo paper, make it high sa imong printer setup, and then cut them using paper cutter. So, again, it will it might take you longer sa imong first time, but eventually if you do this all the time, you can do 5 minutes lang, dali you can tanan. So 5 minutes lang. Pakulaton lang nimo imong customer dara, picturean nimo, dayon that's it. Okay? So practice lang and eventually you will know everything. So napay daghan no, daghan pa pwede buhaton sa kaning Canva. So if mga tanan mo asa mas better Canva and Photoshop, the answer is both sa digital printing. So mo lang sana nga kuan, let's where we're able to discuss kuan kanang basic na mga services nga natong ihatag. Nakastorya ta about Rush ID, nakastorya also ta about um, resumes, nakastorya ta about ref magnet, okay, business card, okay, invitation. So these are some of those services nga imong ma-provide sa imong digital printing business, and you only have what? Computer, softwares like Canva and Photoshop, your printer, and papers, consumables. That's it, right? So regarding unsa mga needs nimo, again, go back to the first video and um, kanara how to start your business. So if napa mo ganahan pa mo ma-practice, again, we have YouTube. Everything is provided in YouTube. I will also be providing a tutorial along the way. So if you have any questions, ganahan din mo magpa-set up sa inyong digital printing business, and then ganahan mo quotation if you want me to buy or you want to kuyog and then help you in setting up your business. You can I can actually do that. We can do private tutorials, right, and how to set up your digital printing. That's fine. Pakauna lang ko and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right. So I think that would be all. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. And also if there are some videos nga ganahan ninyo ipabutang na ko really in the context of digital printing, basta kaybaw lang ko, I can create that video for you. Alright, so thank you so much everyone. Please subscribe Search TV and have a wonderful day.